Embark on a captivating voyage to the magical city of Venice, where every corner is a masterpiece and every canal is a story waiting to be told. In this video, we will guide you through the enchanting canals of Venice, showcasing its iconic landmarks and the unique charm that makes Venice a world-famous destination. Glide through the Grand Canal and witness the timeless beauty of Venetian architecture. Explore the secrets of St. Mark's Square, home to the magnificent St. Mark's Basilica and Doge's Palace. Savor the flavors of authentic Italian cuisine in charming Venetian trattorias. Wander through the winding streets of Venice and discover hidden gems at every turn. This video is a love letter to Venice, a city that has stolen the hearts of travelers from around the globe. Whether you're planning your dream trip to Venice or reliving the memories of your visit, our footage will transport you to the breathtaking canals of this unique city. Don't miss the opportunity to fall in love with Venice all over again or for the very first time. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to embark on this mesmerizing adventure through the canals of Venice.